Hi, I'm Simon Fu from Sophos Support, and I'll be giving an overview of Sophos Central Server Lockdown, its requirements, and how to enable it. Server Lockdown is designed to only allow approved and whitelisted applications to run on a server. Only trusted applications and their associated files are allowed to execute and modify files. It integrates with the existing Sophos server protection software, including antivirus, memory protection, and runtime protection. After installation, Server Lockdown automatically creates a baseline whitelist of the existing authorized applications. Before starting, there are a few prerequisites and restrictions in order to use Server Lockdown. You must have a license for Sophos Server Protection Advanced. Server Lockdown is not available if you are using Sophos XDR Sensor. Server Lockdown is not supported on servers that host applications such as remote desktop services and SAN apps. SAP Business is also not supported. Lastly, Lockdown is not supported on Go images or similar VDI environments. Each image would need to be logged following deployment. For more information, please refer to the documentation linked in the description. Now we'll get started with enabling Server Lockdown. In Sophos Central, there are two places where you can enable Server Lockdown. First, go to Server Protection, then navigate to the Server List page. Alternatively, you can go to the Server Details page. Click onto the server that you wish to install the software to. Select the Lockdown option. A lockdown message will appear on the screen, and you can select Begin Lockdown. Once the process is completed, the lockdown status will show as locked. To confirm if Server Lockdown has been successfully installed, open the server, open up the Sophos UI, click onto About, and the lockdown status and version is shown. Next, you can use the Server Lockdown settings within a policy to change app permissions without the need to unlock the server. For example, you may wish to add and run new software. Applications added to the Allow list will not be scanned again by Server Lockdown. Plus, any files and apps created or downloaded will also be allowed to run. To configure the Server Lockdown policy, go to Server Protection, Policies. Create a lockdown policy. From the available server list, add the server to the assigned server list. Now go to the Settings tab. Here, you can specify individual files or an entire folder in which all the files are allowed. Select the type of item to allow, then enter the path. Click Save. Similar steps can be used for blocking files or folders that are currently permitted to run on the server. Note, wildcards and variables can be used in the Allow and Block list, which gives you more flexibility. And that covers the overview and setup of Server Lockdown in Sophos Central. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know by giving us a thumbs up on TechVids if we resolved your issue. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com and go to techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.